How to change features products in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your featured products in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard you can navigate to online store here. You can click on it, and then you can click edit theme here to go to the website editor, and you will be redirected to your website editor. So as you can see in my homepage, there is the featured products. So this is the products that features in my homepage. So let's say I want to change it, I want to change to another collection maybe or specific products or just delete it. So you can go to your sidebar on your left sidebar, and in the template, as you can see, there is featured collection. You can click on it, and now you can change everything here. So from the collection, you can choose the collection here. So maybe you want to remove the collection, it will remove. So there is no products featured. Or you can select the collection you want, or you can just create new collection with specific products, and it will appear in this homepage. And also you can change the type, maybe you want to carousel or another type of uh, content. It's up to you. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.